Thank you, Facebook, for that. So this is now going to be part 2, right where I left off. Let me make sure I can get everything back on. I hate this. I told you there's something weird going on with the internet today. So here's the bundle that we made. And we're just going to add this to all those places where our pipe cleaners were, remember? So we were so close to being finished. Okay, let's see what ends up happening. And then we're just going to tuck this back in around. And then I really want it to kind of have little hanging tails down in that area. Just like this. So we have like little hanging tails. So let's do this one. Okay, so we're going to split this in 3. There's 1. There's 2. I am hoping that I don't have someone who's trying to take over our internet. It's just very weird. Okay. So we're just going to finish making the bundles. So I'm always bringing these up to the top. There's that one. Let's grab some of the natural if we can. So there's that. Split it again. I like it a little bit wispy. So I'll have fun splicing this video together tomorrow. Hate doing that. Absolutely loathe it. It takes a long time. So we're making our second bundle. And we're going to add this one down here. I gotta find an app that just allows me to do it so much quicker. If we had great internet here, it wouldn't be an issue. But we've got squirrely internet. Okay, so there's that. I'm trying to hurry up and get this finished so that it doesn't kick us off again. I kind of had a feeling it was going to do that. Just because, like I said, I had an issue trying to connect earlier. And I think it's the Mevo that's kicking me out. Ooh, that one's a shorty. Let's get a long one. Okay. Let's pull a couple more. That one's super cute. Let's pull that. Oop. Okay. So we're going for some long tails. Making raffia bundles. I've been kicked off 3 times, Cheryl, if you can believe that. Yeah, 3 separate times. I'm just like so over it. When we were making the swag, I got kicked off. And I think what I'm going to do is, because Mevo, I can download everything directly from the Mevo. Oh, I can't do it. Because normally, if it wasn't a Mevo issue, I could just download directly from the card. But nope, this was a Mevo issue, so that's not going to work. Okay. So we've got a couple more bundles. Okay. Just be careful when you're splitting your raffia, because I've had that happen where I've gone to split it and got a really mean paper cut from it. Go figure. Okay, there's a nice good bundle right there. Let's add some natural to the mix. Right? It rarely happens. That's why I'm like, something's up. So I don't know if it's the weather, because we're getting a storm system come in, which my husband says could kick you off the internet. It's like, we've seen it happen. Sometimes we lose power. Like the last couple of days, my internet's been super, super glitchy. So I'm just making sure these don't go too long on the bottoms. So I'm trying to cut them so they end at the end of the design. Okay, almost done. Almost done. And the great thing is when I go back in to do replays for the materials list, I put the spliced one together. It just takes me forever to splice it together and then re-upload it. All that technical stuff. Okay, so there's that. And that one. Okay, long tails. Got to make sure you have long tails on both sides, that you don't wind up with tails on just one side. So this one's going to go right under here. Okay. And tuck that in. And then let's make sure our tails don't go too long. There's that one. There's that. Whoop. Watch it be the guy across the street. We have a guy that's moving in across the street and he's been chopping down trees. Oops. Hit the line. Sorry. Okay, let's make sure. I think this one's up here. I'm just fluffing all of my ribbon. I think I have one more under here. Yes, I do. And then we're done. So let's do this quick. I'm going to use up the rest of this brown raffia. Oop, that one's there. Because I hear the truck that's taking down the trees. Because we had somebody right across the street from us. They bought the property. And then there's a guy a couple doors down that bought 5 acres on our street. And they've been cutting trees. So it wouldn't surprise me. Okay. So here's the last. Cute little bundles. Only make sure you have them on both sides. Like I said, you need tails on both sides. Okay. Ugh. Okay, last one. And that one's looking a little scraggly. Okay, let's refluff our bow. If you wanted to, I think we have enough in here. Let's see if we do. We can make a short little bow for the center. We might. All I need is 3 and 3. So here's 1, Okay, where's the end? And let's get some of this. There's that. Okay, this should work. So we're making a really small one. Let's trim that up. Yes. Okay. I'm going to secure this with a pipe cleaner just to keep the bundle intact. We're going to remove the excess. And then really fluff that up. And then we're going to tuck that right into the inside. Right in there. Let's fluff, fluff, fluff. Okay, I'm going to pivot you up. And we are going to hang this on the door. We're going to hang it on the door. Just making sure my raffia is all in place. Whoop. Let's make sure we have him in place. So this is our rustic country bunny. Features a wide range. Oh, this would be good if we could like scent it with chocolate. Let me move my camera over. It's kind of cockeyed. Okay. So everything up, up, up. Everything up. Up and out. Even on the sides. Because we want to see all those red ends. Okay, and then don't forget to give life to your bow again if you need to. Just like so. There is our bunny. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see that. There we go. What do you think? Thanks, Pam. You could change out the bunny if you wanted. Yeah, you could. You can put a chicken in there too if you wanted. Or a cow. Or whatever you would like. But this one is just about the bunny. Country bunny. And it's great for people who don't want the cutesy stuff. And they just want everything normal. So there you guys have it. That's all I have for you for this week. Come back and join me next week. Hopefully our internet will be figured out. I'll have to go talk to our neighbors. Okay, everyone. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.